Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a product from premium smartwatch category but a non-premium budget. And this product is from Honor. Honor and the model is Honor Magic Watch 2 with Bluetooth calling features. And this model is 46mm model, the larger variant. And this comes with 12,000 rupees. So surprisingly priced and the premium build quality and premium features given into it. You can't imagine. Let's check it out. What are all the options it has, all the features which company is giving up to us. We will go in depth of that. If you guys have still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get a notification instantly when I upload a new video. So I also will give you some videos on troubleshooting the technological problems. So keep watching my channels. Here's the box, guys. You guys can see that. This is the box. Solid box. The quality of the box is so premium. You can feel it once you hold it. Yes. So build quality of this box is absolutely fantastic. Yeah. And here's the watch, guys. I'm wearing this. So here's the watch. Yeah. This leather quality. I'll talk about details on leather quality, strap quality, and this hook quality, this build quality, even display, and all the functions which are available in this watch and how they make our life easy in day-to-day life. We'll see all the function available and we will see what are the uses to our daily life. First, I will start with the build quality. Build quality is very solid. It's a premium stainless steel. It is made of 316L stainless steel, which is generally used in aerospace industry. So you guys can understand how the solid build quality they're given. So I have no problem with this build quality. It's a very firm study. Yeah, it's a very good, smooth finishing also they have given. So there's no problem with that. Even the buttons, these all are steels, made of steels. You have to press hard. It's not a so soft press. You have to press hard to use it. It functions. Yeah. If I talk about this straps, it's a pure leather and it's a very strong leather. You can see it's very solid and very thick. See, I'm squeezing also. It will not happen anything on this. This strap will not get damaged with the water. And this locks is also made of stainless steels and smooth finish they have given. Yeah, matte finish you can say. It locks easily. Just look at the back of the watch. Yeah, there are sensors are on the back. 4 sensors are there, and 2 points it is for the charging this watch. Back side also very nice looking design. Let me show you the watch display also. Look at the display. So bright and so clear. It's an AMOLED display. Let me tell you guys, this watch only weight 41 grams, which is very light. If you're wearing in the hands also, you will not feel so heavy that you are wearing something, which generally happens with the other stainless steels made of watches. Yeah, general watches or normal watches, which is feels heavy on your hand. This will not feel heavy on your hand. In terms of battery, you can get 30 hours of uses while you're doing exercise with GPS on. Yes, and 24 hours of playback and 10 hours of continuous calls. Let me talk about the display of this watch. This is AMOLED display, and this also featuring that always on display, which is available on smartphones. The same feature is available on this watch also. So you can set 4 watch faces as a always on display, which is limited options available, but still there's an options to choose from. Yeah, the resolution of this watch is 454 into 454. Yeah, so which is 46 they are claiming on. Yes. So if I have to talk about the battery can give us 14 days of standby if you don't turn on this always on display. If you turn on always on display and all the health features are on, like true sleep, your stress monitor, heart rate monitors, all the health features are turned on, it can last up to 7 days. If you turn off the always on display, it generally lasts 10 days, 10 or 12 days. Yes, guys, this is Bluetooth calling features are there in this. So you can take up your phone calls from the watch. You can dial your any number from this watch, and you can also listen music from this watch because it has a loudspeaker and it also has a mic inbuilt. Yeah, so it's an inbuilt calling options is available in this watch. Now let's look at all the function which is available in this watch. Yeah, we will go through all the function it uses in daily life. What are the benefits we can get out of it? I will discuss everything in detail. Yeah, let's check it out. All the settings what it has. So this is the watch, guys. The main watch face. Yeah, you can see the timer and watch is running and it's written power. This is AMOLED display. So if from the top, if I drop down, then notification or shortcut panel will come. Then we have an option do not disturb, which means once you turn this on, your all the incoming calls, notification, everything will be stopped. You will not get any annoying notifications. Yeah, watch will not give you any notification at all. And when you turn this off, again it will go back to the square, the normal positions, and all the calls, notification from your mobile will automatically come to the watch. Good and handy options. Sometimes it requires because unnecessary you are holding your phones and you're getting notification on your watch, disturbed a lot. So we may certain times we may require these features to enable. We used to do that, and even I used to do this. Next we have a show time. So once we turn off, you can see it's turned off. Once we turn it on, this it will make the display sleep after 20 minutes. Even you can customize this time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. These options are available. You will go to the main setting, you will see what are the customization options available. Good options. So if you want to check the timing continuously, you have to keep this on so that you don't have to press this button every time to see the display. Next you have got a find phone. Find phone is help you to track your phone where it is. The moment you press here, it will automatically start ringing your phone where you have kept it last. It can help you to find it. Then there's a alarm, so you can set quick alarm from here. You can set your own timing, and you can set unlimited alarm with this watch. Yeah. Next you have got a setting shortcut options. Also, before I get into the settings, so some other option like Bluetooth connectivity, icon, battery percentage, date, day, everything is mentioned. So let's look at what is there inside the settings. I have clicked on the settings. In setting, the first option is earbuds. Once I click on, so I have got a two earbuds paired earlier, so those are visible. So you can pair your earbuds. A good, very good handy features. If you have a Bluetooth earbuds or Bluetooth headphones, you can connect with the watch, and the music stored with this watch you can hear through that earbuds. Even you can take a calls also. Very good handy features. You can connect your any speaker, even your smart speaker, Bluetooth speaker, sound bar, music system, home theater, everything it gets connected. Next you have a display. Under the display, what we have is a watch face. First watch face, let's check it out. This watch face is limited to 30 numbers. You can see you can set any one of these 30 what you have installed through your app. So it can be changed from here. Now you can see all the 30 watch faces are available through this particular setting. I will select any one of them and it will automatically get set. Okay, I will go back to the same position again. Display, watch face, I have already set it. Next is standby watch face. This is that always on display, which they are calling as a standby display. So you got a 1 2 3 4 options are there, and none. If you select none, means it will not turn on the always on display. Then you got a favorite menu to choose from. Here you have a very limited functions to choose: heart rate, stress, weather, music, activity record, and sleep. You can't add more because this is showing it's the maximum you have already added. Yeah, you can shuffle them according to your need. The position can be shuffled. And then you got a brightness. I have already set it to auto. You have option to highest brightness of 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Yeah, so with the good bright display screen. But during the sunlight outdoor, yeah, you will definitely have a struggle to watch to check this watch what's time or what's notifications. It's not that heavy bright, but it's better than any other smartwatch. Then you have got an advanced option. In the advanced option you can set that sleep function, after how much time you wanted to make this watch to sleep. When it is on, the display is on. If you set it auto, it automatically turn it off if you have no activity. Then screen time, that show time, screen time, you can set from a 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Everything is there from here. Yeah, according to your need you can set it up. These are the options which are available under display. So let's look at what is there in sound. In sound we have got a volume. You can put it on mute, then you can keep the half of the volume or the full volume. Then we have got a silent mode, which was there in the shortcut menu also. If you keep this on, so you will not get any alerts from the watch. Then you have a strength, the vibration strength. You can set that also. There's a customization option. If you do the none, it will not give you any vibration. Then there's soft vibration, then strong vibration. Everything is there. Then we have got a do not disturb. You can schedule your do not disturb. If you can set it for all day, if you have to schedule for a specific time during a night, you can always do that. You can have to schedule it. Yeah, time and end time, everything is there. Then down button. So this down button will give you a quick access to any of the functions which you would like to set. I always keep preferring to set flashlight as a shortcut option for down button. If the moment I click quickly on down button, immediately it turn on the flashlight. Let me show you how it works. Let me go back once. Let me set it again. Flashlight and go back. This is the main screen. Main screen. Now I'll turn on the flashlight. So this is very useful and handy when there's no power, no light, no power, and power cut. You can quickly turn this flashlight on, and you can able to see your rooms wherever it is. We have a quick look over here. So we have got understanding of how down button shortcut function works. Then workout settings. This is just to auto detect the workout. If you are doing any particular workout, it will automatically start detecting, but detection time is very slow. You start the workout after 5 minutes, it will give you a notification that it's detected your workout. So it's not a real time that it's detecting on. Then we have got a system. It helps you to restart this watch. Then power on off option is there. Then disconnect from the paired mobile device, and then you can reset also from this function. And then lastly we have got about this device. Here it is the device name Honor Magic Watch 2 GF5, model MNS B19, MAC address, version, serial number, and regulatory infos. Everything is there. This is all about the settings what we have. Let's go back to the functions. Okay, before going into the functions, there's one more option of shortcut display menu. If you swipe left and right, the shortcut favorite function which we have selected earlier, we can see from here. This is showing the heart rate monitor. Your heart rates are getting monitored at the real time. Since I'm not wearing it now, it's not showing the rate. Yeah, it's showing the average, it's showing the highest and the lowest. Even the more details you can find on through the function button or through the app. Then you've got a stress monitoring display option. So you can see the average stress measurement and then highest and lowest measurement. Then you got weather, you can check your weather from here. Then this is the music player, which can turn on the music quickly, and you can also able to control the volumes from here. You can change the playback option from random to play in order to shuffle. Everything you can do. And here from here also you can change the setting to watch songs to phone songs or earbud songs. You can select either of them from here. Since I wanted to check how this particular watch music speaker works and how it plays the song, so I'm just trying it out. And I'm playing a song. Just you guys can check. It's on the full volume. It's not a quite loud, but yes, if you are in a single room and you are wearing in your hand, you can hear out the sound and music. There is no problem with the speaker. Next, you got an activity record. So all the activity throughout the day you're doing it, you can quickly check from here. Yeah, it's a step count. This is alarm, how many times alarm set, and this is how many times you have set idle and how many times you have waked up. And this is sleep monitoring features. So how much you slept last night, it will give you that record. Here I have set a target of 8 hours, so my sleep data was 6 hours 43 minutes. Oh, I have just tested it out. It's almost accurate. It gives all the results. And the main watch face has come back. Let's get into the function. The function can come from the top button. The moment I press it, all the function will come from here. The first and foremost thing is workout, under which more than 100 workout modes are available. There are courses also available, running courses. The moment I click on it, look at it, run and walk primary, run and walk advanced, easy run, fat burning run primary, fat burning run advanced, fat burning, so many things. So if you can take up those courses, and when you do this, it will start tracking via GPS your location, how much area you have covered. You can check those data also, from the app and from this function also. And almost, sorry, more than 100 workout courses are available: outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor work, cycling, pool, swimming, open water, climb, hike, trail run, ecliptical rower, others, yoga, dance, badminton. You can add many more: strength, spinning, aerocar, HIIT, aerobics, crossfit, physical training, taekwondo, boxing, free karate, fencing, belly dancing, jazz dance, Latin dance, core training, body compact, kendo. So many, so much options are there. Whatever option you need, you will find it here. That's a good part about this particular watch. They have given all the options. You just have to select from here which workout you are doing it, which exercise you are doing it. You can select and you can start working it out. Then after your workouts gets over, you can find your records. I have done few of the workouts and the records are here. You can take the entire summary from here. Outdoor work, I have done it. Then distance I travel, duration, calories I burn, speed, average speed, steps, elevations, heart rate zone, space, cadence, altitude, training effect, recovery time, VO2 max. What else you do need? You can find more on Y Health F. Next we have got a workout status. What is your last workout status? You can quickly find from here. Then you got a heart rate monitoring app, which will give you detailed information about your heart rate functions. More detail can be found on the app, but this is the main menu, you can say. Then SpO2, oxygen, blood oxygen monitoring options, you can check from here. It will measure your blood oxygen. Then you've got activity record, same we saw on the favorite menu. Then sleep, same thing which can be found from here. It gives you some more data from here. Same thing here for activity record. You can get into the depth of the data. Then cycle calendar. Once you set the cycle calendar, it will show the next cycle periods. Everything, all the details are available. Then you got a stress monitor. You can monitor your stresses when you are getting more stress, when you're not getting, when you're normal conditions, and all details levels you can find here. Then you have got a breathing exercise. The moment you start, it helps you to breathe properly. To those who does yoga, it's a handy feature for them. You can customize how much time you want to breathe. Everything is there. Let's go back now. Call logs. So your recent calls data will be visible here. All the missed call, dial call, received call, everything is visible from here. Then contacts. You can, in contacts you can set 10 contacts for quick dialing. Next we have a music. It's same app. Here you will get details, more options to choose the songs also. So you can see what are the songs you have downloaded and kept inside the watch storage. So all can be visible from here. You can select and play those like that. Then you got a barometer. This will help you to measure the air pressures and altitudes when you are braking or traveling. This will give you idea how much you elevated yourself. Then you've got a compass. Compass will help you to see your direction. Then you got a notification panel which give you notification about calls, WhatsApp messages, everything. Then you have a weather. Weather helps you to get the today's weather and then 7 days forecast. Then we have stopwatch. If you wanted to keep a stopwatch for a particular work, you can set from here. Yeah. Then you have got a timer. You can now wanted to set a timer for your any particular task, you can set from here. Then you have alarm, same function which you have seen earlier. Then flashlight, which is a quick toggle option. Then find phone, same we have seen in the shortcut panel. Then setting, same setting which we have seen from the shortcut panel. This is all about the function it has with this particular smartwatch. Few limitations, like if you're not using Honor phone, you will not be able to use the camera shutter, which you guys can see that it is not available. If you are paired this device with Honor user interface mobile, then only that function will come, else it will not come. Although it does not have SIM card features, any voice assistant is not enabled with this particular smartwatch, so there it lags. Yeah. So it does not support the third party software. No app store is available for this watch, which available with Google own watch operating system. So I have covered almost all the points which is available in this watch, its benefit, its advantages, disadvantages. If this video is useful for you guys, please subscribe the channel, also like the video, and do subscribe to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching the video. Well done.